I'm Earl Toops, and I'm the Hyperbaric Welding and Indy Team Manager for DCN Diving UK. DCN Diving is a diving contractor with a global presence. We work in offshore renewables, hydroelectric power dams, and in offshore oil and gas.
My name's Alan Cross. I'm the technical authority on behalf of the client. So I started in the industry 45 years ago as an apprentice welder with Brown and Root up at Nick Bay. It's the first time I came across Lincoln welding, and we used the old Lincoln welding bullet. We eventually evolved onto TIG welding. But the equipment has evolved a lot since then, and it's used globally in a lot of projects I've worked on. And the quality of the equipment, the quality that it puts out with the consumables that are available from Lincoln is second to none now.
My name is Rick Warmerdam. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm a hyperbaric welder. I'm doing the welding tiles in the habitat. I'm also a technician. I'm preparing the habitats for the project. The S350, it's a multi-purpose machine. We're not only using it for the welds inside the habitat, we're using it for the welds on surface. We do a lot of wet welding with it. For wet welding, it's an excellent, stable platform. When we go TIG welding inside the habitat, it's ideal. It's a machine for everything.
So a really nice feature about the PowerWave S350 is its user interface. What we do is we take the user interface off the machine and we relocate it into well control or dive control. Set the amps. You can easily turn the machine on, make it hot or make it cold, which is a good safety precaution when changing electrodes subsea in the wet.
All the safety that's on board on the equipment now, it all meets the European legislation, and it's proven that we can use the same equipment on the surface and we can use it subsea also.
For the last 10 years, we've been using the S350, which is a fantastic power source. We're looking at increasing the duty cycle, and we're trying to make hyperbaric welding a little bit more productive. We think that the S500 is a good upgrade for us. And the beautiful thing about the system, the fact that it's modular, we don't have to upgrade the wire feeders and the water coolers and the STT module. It's all interchangeable with the same spare parts. So all we're doing is we're just adding to what we've already got as existing equipment.
We use the Cryo 1 electrodes, the same as we would in the surface. Under the same conditions, they're vac packed, sealed when they come, they're checked before we use them. They go into the dry chamber, dry pot underneath the microhabitat. The diver then opens them up, and we just use them the same as we would in the surface.
My name is Thomas. I am saturation hyperbaric welder, and I'm here to train for the hyperbaric trials. Cryo 1 electrodes is a perfect solution for this job because they come in vacuum sealed packs. We've been using them because we can always rely on the Cryo 1 electrodes. They always provide us with a nice and steady arc, and they are very easy to use.
The Cryo 1 electrode gives a very, very good mechanical strength to the weld required. The same as the surface is what it does subsea. It's quite an easy electrode for the guys to use. They usually have to go maybe down an electrode. If it's in a certain position, they maybe can't carry the material with the 4mm electrode, but generally speaking, the 3.2 electrode can be used in any position at all.